Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am hoping you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. So today I came across a story. I don't know if I should laugh or I don't know. I don't know. Let me get into the story. The story goes like this. Florida, United States. A Florida man who reportedly tried to withdraw 1 cent from a bank in Sumter County was arrested and is now facing a felony robbery charge in relation to the incident. So, did I read this correctly? It says he tried to withdraw 1 cent. 1 cent. He tried to withdraw 1 cent from the bank and he's now facing a felony robbery charge. Okay, let's continue. According to Fox 35 Orlando, 41-year-old Michael Fleming walked into the Chase Bank on US 441 in Lady Lake and filled out a withdrawal slip for 1 cent before handing it to the bank teller. Okay? The incident happened just before 2 p.m. on Saturday. It is reported that the bank teller told Fleming he could not withdraw a penny, to which he responded, "So you want me to say the other word?" I wonder what the other word is. I don't know. The Fox 35 Orlando reported, this said, no other details about their conversations were revealed. However, deputies said the bank teller was fearful and called the police. No further details were provided, but the report noted that the arrest affidavit indicated the police had probable cause to believe Fleming did violate Florida's robbery laws. He was transported to the Sumter County Detention Center, where he remains on $5,000 US bond, the news reported. So he tried to withdraw 1 cent from the bank, and he was arrested, and he is now on $5,000 US bail bond. Somebody make this make sense to me, because I don't understand. I honestly don't understand. This is one of the I've never heard anything like this, but let me read some of the comments. Maybe I'll get a better understanding as to why let me hear what others are saying. Let me hear what other people are saying about this situation. Okay, it says, one person says, this is not uncommon. This is not an uncommon practice. Homeless people in America often commit misdemeanor crimes so they can get off the streets and get a place to stay for free. To get a place to stay, or free health care, free food, free hospital checkup, and a roof over their heads. You may see jail, but they see a way to get off the streets for a few days. Well, that person have a point. That person have a point, because if you're homeless and you don't live anywhere and you want to go and rest your head, you want somewhere to sleep, you're tired of being out on the street in the cold, in the sun, whatever the weather, you're always on the street. So I guess that is a way where that could be something that might cause him to do what he did, because 1 cent and you get locked up for try for withdraw once. Let me keep my 2 cents to myself, yeah. Anyway, let me read what another commenter is saying. Look at him. Does it make sense? Spelling CENTS. To arrest him, only gonna cost a lot of dollars in the system. Money you could have donated to his cause. Ridiculous. Another person says, another person is saying, similar to what I just said. Another person just said, let me keep my 2 cents to myself. Cause next thing you know, me get locked up. He probably wanted to be arrested for free room and board. Well, guys, let me know what you think about this story in the comment section. Remember to like. Hi, guys, and welcome back. There's another story that I want to share with you. The story that I'm just seeing today, these are just so out of the world. They're just so ridiculous. Like, even this one, it's about a taxi driver who was being so reckless and careless on the roads. Can you imagine what this driver did? The article says Kingston, Jamaica. The transport authority says the driver who was shown in a viral video operating a vehicle while sitting in a passenger's lap in the driver's seat has been slapped with several charges following a successful investigation. He was actually sitting in a passenger seat while he's driving the vehicle. Can you imagine that, people? Let's continue. In a statement on Thursday, the authorities said a joint operation with the Jamaica Constabulary Force resulted in the driver being taken into custody and charged with dangerous driving. But of course, operating with excess passengers, operating without insurance coverage, a transport authority badge, he was not wearing a uniform, and he was operating contrary to his terms and conditions of the road license. In addition, the authorities said the motor vehicle was examined by the Island Traffic Authority and found in breach of the standard or the law of a public passenger vehicle, a PPV. As a result, the plates were removed from the vehicle. He identified himself as Calvin Cameron while issuing a public apology video. So guys, I'm gonna be inserting the video after I finish reading what the clipping is saying. However, Transport Authority Managing Director Ralston Smith says he is considering other actions against the driver in accordance with their suspension and revocation policy. Further, the Transport Authority and the Jamaica Constabulary Force says they will continue to intensify monitoring and enforcement activities of public passenger vehicles to ensure public safety and compliance with the laws. Smith is reminding drivers or operators of PPV that they are entrusted with the lives of their passengers and have a duty of care to all road users. Of course, they drive too reckless in Jamaica. That's why we have so many road accidents, because these people don't comply to the rules of the road, right? He stresses that these kind of driving behaviors have the potential to endanger the lives of commuters and road users in general. In the meantime, the authority is encouraging the public to fully utilize its WhatsApp number, which is 876-551-8196 or 876-926-8912, and the Drive Safe app to report the various infractions that may be committed by PPV operators. But that's a good thing that they have a number where people can report and record, even WhatsApp, send videos and all those things to show them proof. Additionally, the Transport Authority is encouraging members of the commuting public to choose only legal public passenger vehicles as their mode of transportation. But look at that, like, I don't understand why these drivers are behaving so carelessly on the road. And next thing, I don't understand why the passengers put up with certain I understand that people are desperate to go home, but it's better to be late than never. And a lot of the time, these public transportation, the drivers in Jamaica that carry the public around, a lot of them drive so recklessly. I'm not speaking on the government buses that we have, because those are larger vehicles, and they don't drive like that on the road. But is the other smaller vehicles and the drivers that refuse to comply. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's hear your thought on what this taxi driver is saying in the comment. I will be inserting the video of the taxi driver with his apology or whatever that is supposed. Like, you understand me? Because let me just insert the video and you hear what the driver is saying. Peace.
A few moments later.
Afternoon, one and all, afternoon the nation. I'm Calvin Cameron, the driver that was in the viral video, being sitting in a passenger's lap, which it was a careless and reckless act. I'm here with the Transport Authority. I'm apologizing to the nation. I'm letting you all know this is not a regular occurrence and this is something that will never happen again. So I'm apologizing to one and I'm apologizing to all. Please accept my apology.
So guys, you have heard what the taxi driver has come out and said. He has given his apology and what have you. But a big old man like that are going with so much carelessness on the road, and we see how many road accidents we have a year time, and the people who sits in those kind of vehicles, boy, me value my life more in, and sometimes even though some people may say them living in some way back bush and drive hard to get you want to go home and whatever, but I want to go home alive. I don't want to go home in a body bag. I want to be alive. So guys, I'm gonna be reading some of the comments that some of the people are saying in regards to this incident. So let's go to the comments. Okay, the first comment says, how them can identify him from behind, yet them can't find the criminals where them face are sure. Well, I have a point. Another commenter is saying, Jamaica is the best place. I'm here thinking and saying to myself, look how fast them get this taxi driver, and plenty murders still unsolved. That goes to show where their interest is at. Another comment is saying, that's because they know he does it every day downtown. Trust me, it's not a regular occurrence, and the taxi is owned by a policeman. Another person is saying, the lady forget charged too because she careless as much as the driver. Another comment is saying, we don't need to live at some place where taxi hardly run and feel how it feel. Everything on a video. Kiss my teeth. Comment, and he's saying, we don't need to value on life for that. Him coulda well and make one next trip, because on a same one love make excuses, and them same driver they crash with you. You dead and the driver live. I have a point. Another person is replying and say, if him never did a do foolishness, there would be nothing to video. This is why Jamaica can get better. Another commenter says, wow, So astonishing to see people defending indiscipline and reckless driving in the comments. Another comment is saying he deserves it. However, we all have a responsibility to our own safety and to know the situations that we put ourselves in. So guys, that's as far as I'm gonna go into the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.